Well, all right. No leaks have been detected. Everything's fine. The wick has sat in there for over half an hour, which is more than I need to. But anyhow, I was busy doing some other things. So now comes the lighting part. Put it on set. Okay. I don't have the batteries installed, but everybody knows I can still light it with one of these suckers. I can work it with the phone in one hand. There you go. Exciting, huh? I don't know if you can hear it, but it's making a little bit of noise. I got it turned all the way up, so see the blue flame already reaching the top of it, heating up the coil. Let me pause it for a little bit and give it a chance to really heat up, and I'll get right back to it. All right, well it's a little bit more warmed up now, so give you a close up of it. I'm already feeling the heat from it. So that's the Carol Heat by Kenroy, model 10.2R. So long, folks.